I hear the voice. I hear the voice. Oh, who is talking about me? Who is mentioning my name? Every time I'm quiet, I ain't getting many things off my blade. Everything, it is come to pick me to wake up my life. This voice is not the woman being voice. Oh, the voice from God. The voice from God. Oh, I'm quiet to hear the voice. This message of different. Every time I hear the difference of message, but this way is different. I get it up one more time. I hear the voice. I'm wake up. Oh, to do the things the voice is talking about me. And you, what is your problem? Oh, before I'm a child, before my mother born me, this name I have for my life. You know we change you. Oh, I follow this man. It's my father, it's my mother. It's control me for my everything. Oh, this man. It's my mother, it's my father. It's control me for everything. The name is the different name. Oh, peace of the peace is the king of God. He's the king of kings. God is the king. Oh, if we do anything, I don't be shit. Oh, every time I remember, I'm a play for the God for the every time. Oh, Father, I say never forget me. Remember me every day. Do the different things of me. I believe in you. Say never forget me. Oh, every time I remember the things doing. Oh, I'm a play for the every time 24 hours. I'm a play for you. King of the king, the power mind. Nobody control you. Oh, I leave my everything to you. Use me for everything. I need a more anointing. The King of King, power.